All right, what is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be taking you through retaping my unit, why I use tape, how I use tape, and you can just kind of follow along and see how I do it. So as you can see here in the image, I've got my unit already off. I've already gone through, taken it off, washed it, cleaned it, washed my scalp, prepped my scalp, all that kind of stuff. And so you're gonna need this right off the top. You know, I'm using this right here. Now, this is just like a $3 mannequin that I got. It's just styrofoam. And the reason that I use that is it makes it so much easier to manage a hair system when you're putting tape or anything on it, because it has a natural curvature, just like our scalp, just like these pieces are kind of designed to have. They're not flat units, they're actually kind of curved and they're molded. So because of that, it's way easier if you just get one on Amazon, get one at your local beauty store, whatever you do. That is like a pro tip that I highly recommend for you. So I'm gonna switch the camera down and you're gonna be mostly just watching me jamming out and putting the tape on my unit, and we'll be talking through it, okay? All right guys, this is what the tape that I'm using today actually looks like. You're all probably gonna laugh at me, but I'm actually switching to a Walker Ultra Hold tape right now, and the reason I'm switching back to this one right now as opposed to the one that you just saw me use is, well, because to be honest with you, it's way easier to manage this tape right here with how I'm cutting it. I didn't realize that the other tape was so much harder. I haven't used it in a while, and this is just been doing the trick nicely for me for a while. So all right, so I don't know if I explain this, but I'm just gonna explain it again. What I'm doing when you see me cutting the unit is I am actually, or I'm not cutting the unit, I'm sorry, don't cut your unit, that's not good. What I'm doing is I'm cutting the tape, and the reason that I am cutting the tape is because I'm trying to make one continuous line with my tape, like all around the unit. Oops, I actually did not mean to cut it right there, but that's okay. I like to make it in as few pieces as possible because it actually makes taping getting the tape off the unit just a tad easier. But now that I just made this mistake, I can actually kind of show you what I'm gonna do right here. I do this around the entire unit whenever I have a portion that I gotta start over. I lift up the tape of one side right here. Let me just get going back over here. See, this is actually the reason why I did not want to do that with the tape that I just accidentally cut, is because I was gonna do it right here. Ah, shoot, I did it again. That's okay though. Because what I'm going to do right now is I was going to start a new piece right here, and the reason that is it's so dramatic of a angle change that these corners I basically just start a new line. Can you feel the love tonight? And here we go. So now we're on to the front hairline, and you might be asking me, Jake, are you getting like super duper close to the hairline? And I'm like, as close as I can, but I don't worry about getting like every last millimeter. Like so for me, it's actually a little bit harder than most people to get that like super refined, basically because my front hairline is not AACC. If you watched past videos, you may have seen that I have actually kind of toyed around and messed with my front hairline a little bit. Purposefully, I've done that. And
So what that has presented to me as a situation is, one, is it's a little bit harder to tape and get like everything kind of squared away, just because, you know, it's not a perfect line. But I prefer the realism of the unnatural shape, if you will. So we're coming to this edge right here, and boom, boom sauce. Okay, so what I'm gonna do once again is I'm going to lift up the corner. Pro tip, so you may think like, well, why are you leaving the tape on as much of it as you can, like on the, why are you leaving the backing on it? Why don't you just remove it as you go? And really the reason for that is just because, oops, I did it again. Man, it's so much harder to like do this while I'm, shoot, I did it again. Man, it's a lot harder to do this when I'm trying to explain to you what I'm doing as I'm doing it. But hey, that's what mastery is, right? It's not like being able to do something, it's being able to teach it. That's how you get really good at something. So, oh my god, guys, I'm teaching you all if you don't know how to know this. Although, let's be honest, a lot of the viewers of this channel, you guys are experts. You guys have been doing this stuff for longer than I've been alive sometimes, which is super cool that we kind of get to share, you know, our community and pass down the knowledge from generation to generation. I know that sounds cheesy, but it's actually pretty cool. The hair system community is super duper helpful. So if you're new, generally speaking, you can find a lot of information. There's a lot of guys that want to help you, just because like they know what you have or what you currently are going through psychologically, and they just want to help. They just want to see you be happy, which is freaking rad. There's a lot of knowledge out there. A lot of YouTubers are starting to pop up. I like to think that I have a little something to do with that, just kind of helping lead the charge. Although, you know, there's other people out there. I'm definitely not the first, and I am not going to be the last, which is exciting to me because we're just paying this stuff forward. We're paying our knowledge forward. You know, one of the things that I like to do on this channel, and I think that kind of makes it special here, is I like to have a lot of conversation about, you know, the psychology and, you know, some of the mind game stuff, and talk about men's confidence, and all that kind of stuff. You know, hopefully the channel can kind of progress towards that. Right now we need to talk mostly about hair system stuff because that's what most of you want to see, but I hope that it changes eventually and we can talk more about men's confidence and things like that. Okay, so it's mostly taped up, the entire thing. As you can see, like right here, I'm missing like a small little chunk. This is out of the back piece though, so like I'm not worried about it whatsoever. What I am going to do though is I'm just gonna run basically 2 pieces along here. I know a lot of you guys, if you do have a hybrid system like I have, which is poly and lace, as you can see, don't have this cross section, so that's cool. Don't worry about it. You don't have to apply this. This isn't a requirement. It just gives a little bit more stickiness, a little bit more stability. and just a touch more hold. And it also gives you a fun little cross problem, and it also gives you a fun little cross pattern on the top. And then so finally what we do is we basically just peel all of this stuff off. We just peel, we peel, we peel, we peel. And lastly, this little section right here, we're completely peeled. All right, guys. So we have a completely taped up unit right now. I'm gonna actually put it on real quick, and then I'll be back with you. All right, guys, and that's it. We're actually done now. So just applied my system, and as you can see, I mean, hairstyle's not the best right now. It's kind of, it is what it is. Tried to work with it. When you first apply your system at home, I find, especially when you use the styrofoam mannequin like that, it can kind of like, you know, press the hair and kind of shape it as it's drying, and it can be hard to style it the first time. So, you know, you can wet it down and stuff like that, but the hair kind of takes on a shape until the next shampoo. So that'll be probably in the next 24 hours after the next time we work out, and after that, be making some more videos for you guys. So you'll see new style, the new reinstall and stuff like that on videos. But if you like this type of content right here, I mean, there's a whole lot more which is similar coming in the ebook that is just about done. Really only a video left that I have to make, and you know, it's going to be walking you through everything from start to finish, from, you know, the mind game and the psychology of the journey that you're going to be walking through, the emotional stuff, to all the tactical tips and tricks and stuff that, you know, I've learned along the journey, and I've also picked up from a bunch of different people along the way that have kind of taken me under their wing and things like that. So if you're interested in that, please, you know, check out the Patreon. We'll probably do a formal release of the ebook soon too. Anyways, guys, I will see you soon.